What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find your YouTube 2025 YouTube recap, because I know a lot of you are a little confused on how to find this. So if this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on and liking the video for more how-to videos like this, as it does really help support the channel. So to go ahead and do this, you want to go to your internet browser, actually, not the YouTube app. It's a little confusing, and you just want to search up youtube.com/recap, just like how I have right there. Then once you do go ahead and search that up, just like how I have, click go, and it'll say looking for your 2025 recap. Recap is available on the YouTube app, and you have to click open app through this link, right? It's youtube.com/recap. Just click open app, and then once you do that, it will go ahead and open up your recap for the YouTube recap 25. Hopefully the video did help you in some way. Hopefully it did help you. Subscribe with notifications if you don't mind. It helps the channel, and liking the video, as it does really mean a lot. So that's about it. Hopefully video